My name is Karen. I'm 14 years old and I live with my parents and my sister in a lovely little house in the countryside. Our stone cottage is very old, but it is cozy, with a big fireplace in the living room. The house only has 2 bedrooms. I don't mind sharing a room with my sister because we get on very well. Our garden is very pretty too. It has cherry trees and lots of lovely roses.
Hi, I'm Simon and I'm 15 years old. Last year, me and my parents moved out of our flat and now we live on the River Thames in a houseboat. It's a little cramped, but I still prefer it to our old flat. It's got 2 small bedrooms and a large living area with a kitchen. In the summer, it's nice to sit on the deck and watch all the river traffic.
Hello, my name is Peter. I'm 15 years old and I live in a large building in the city. I live there with my parents and my sister. Our home is quite big, so I'm lucky enough to have my own room. We've got 3 bedrooms, a spacious living room, a kitchen dining room, and a balcony full of plants and flowers. I like living here because we're on the top floor and we have a wonderful view of the city.